We're going to be talking about Onyxcoin and some signs that is pointing to a very possible reversal for Onyxcoin XCN. Going to be talking about that within the charts with you guys right now. So on the daily time frame here, this is a falling wedge pattern that I've been telling you guys about. Falling wedges tend to break to the upside because that usually tells you that after an extensive downtrend, the bears are actually losing strength. As you guys can see that the falling wedge, near the end of the pattern is actually tightening. Okay, that tells you that the bears are losing strength. Okay, especially if you get some divergence on the RSI as well, that will give me more of a indicator that that the bears are losing strength as well. So not just on one indicator, which is the chart, but also on the RSI. If you guys don't know how to chart or read the RSI, I highly recommend that you guys do learn it. It's very simple and it's very effective in predicting reversals. Okay. Now, if the price action for Onyxcoin actually breaks out of this pattern, okay, by this point, just estimating, we do have a price target of about 2.5 cents XCN. Okay. Now, if it actually breaks out of this pattern and if it actually reaches that price target, what would you do? What I do is I would chart the pattern if it consolidates at that price target and see if I can get a pattern on that tells me if it's going to continue further or is it going to be pulling back from there. Now, if we actually zoom out of XCN here, I see two potential rounded bottom opportunities here if they actually establish. Okay, right now it still has a rounded bottom, right? In the smaller rounded bottom scenario, with the resistance to be about 5 cents here. So what do rounded bottoms tell me? It tells me that it could potentially form a cup and handle pattern, okay? Because that's what it really is, a cup and handle. It's a rounded bottom with a smaller rounded bottom. And if it actually surpasses 5 cents, the next bigger rounded bottom opportunity or possibility would be looking at this bigger rounded bottom here with the resistance to be about 10 cents, okay? Now, these patterns have not been established yet, and of course, what I'm saying here is very hypothetical. Okay, it's also going to depend a lot on Bitcoin because if Bitcoin pumps, that's very good for the altcoins, and if Bitcoin dumps, that is not good for the altcoins. Or even if Bitcoin consolidates like it did back in March 2024. That's also not very good for the altcoins. Okay, so very important to be paying attention to Bitcoin. But right now, I think Bitcoin is looking like it's trying to break out again, and I think the probability of Bitcoin breaking out this time it's much higher because it's been testing that all-time high level. This is like the third time. I am long on Bitcoin and quite a bit of these altcoins here, so I do have a bullish opinion on this market. But these are purely my opinions and speculations only, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. If you guys want to keep seeing more of Onyxcoin, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, letting me know you guys want to see more updates on this coin, or let me know if you guys want to see any other coins in the market. I'll pick one request to do for you guys on a daily basis. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the